Hey, this is Dave and Rich again from housebarons.com. I'm together with my son Caleb. We renovate houses and show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a lot of money in the process. Today I'll be flipping over a trampoline that's been flipped upside down due to a storm. The trampoline used to be over in this spot of the yard, and all we have here is our little lone stake, which that was a mistake. We got lazy. Here's something we did right. We had the trampoline tethered to this porch post right here, and that way it wouldn't blow into the neighbor's yard, but it still didn't stop it from flipping over. And so today we're going to see if we can go ahead and flip this back over. The thing weighs about 150 pounds, and it's quite unwieldy. Weighing 150 pounds is going to provide a bit of a challenge. We're going to tie it around both of them, around the horizontal frame and this vertical leg, so this doesn't slide. All right, one more thing I want to do is take these legs off. When we start tilting it up, it would put a lot of pressure on those legs. They're made to hold vertical pressure, not horizontal, when we start tilting it. All right, so now we just got to take off this cap. There we go. And that's what it looks like right there. On this one here, it doesn't have an end cap. It actually has one of the support poles. And as you look closely, you can see it's pretty badly bent right there. So we're just going to try to hammer that out. We lifted up the frame. That post was easily taken out. Spit out. I'm just going to try to pull the ropes towards me, and the bottom should stop from sliding because of the stake I have there. We'll just try to get it over center so it can come back down. Well, man's not going to go. All right, I've got the trampoline rigged up now. I got a chain stretching to basically block and tackle or pulley system. It's a simple machine that gives me a lot of extra pulling leverage. And so even though this thing weighs 150 pounds, lifting it will not be hard at all with the pulley system. You get if I was using all the pulleys, I'd get a 7-to-1 advantage, meaning it would feel like 20 pounds if I'm lifting 140. And that'll help us lift it up, and then we can maneuver it to flop over. I earned from qualifying purchases. Just check our link below. You can grab one of these pulley systems. They sell them on Amazon, and they're a great little tool to have. But there's okay, now when it gets close to the top, you're gonna have to pull more your way. Just want to roll over. And that's how you stand up a trampoline that was blown over by the wind. You can see we've got a little bit of repair work to do. Some of these got pretty badly bent, but nonetheless, Owen's in there giving it a try, and he couldn't be happier that he could still use it. After all that, we were able to right the trampoline, get it back up, and we probably only are going to have to replace a couple of these posts. So after that big windstorm, our jump power trampoline survived, all in part to having the right tools. This pulley system really did the trick for us. It's a 7-to-1 pull ratio. So 150 pounds of trampoline was not much effort at all, but it's all about having the right tools. I hope this video helps. If you got any questions, go ahead and drop us a line and we'll get back with you just as soon as we can. If you got anything out of this video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for that. We appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. We've got lots of videos coming, and we want you to be sure to get them as soon as they come out. Thanks again for viewing, and we'll see you next time.